You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly in English those two different words. They have a different meaning and different pronunciations. The top word on your screen is pronounced as sheet. You have a sh sound, sh of course, a long e sound and a t sound, sheet, as in a sheet of paper, or the sheet that you have on your bed, sheet. Make sure you have a long e sound, sheet. The bottom word is very similar in its pronunciation, but it doesn't have a sh sound, but an s sound. The bottom word is a seat, seat, s sound, a long e sound and a t sound. A seat is obviously like a chair or what you are sitting on in a car, a seat. So let's summarize the two different pronunciations. The top word is a sheet versus seat, sheet, seat. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those words correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.